All right, so today we're doing a little review on this drill efile, let me correct myself, efile that I got from Temu. I had one like that's in a different shape, but I gave it to my classmate in nail school. So, of course, I had this one as well. That's the reason why I gave her another one, but I have some other ones, but I bought this one to compare to the one that I got from Amazon, and I'll show you guys that one as well. But it comes with this little pamphlet, and it's ceramic fine grit bit. Comes with the standard bits with the sanding bands. It comes with, is this blurry, guys? Does this look blurry to y'all? Let's see. Okay. It comes with these sanding bands here. These look like they're about an 80 because they're real rough. Comes with this holder for the handle piece. Check out the handle. Yeah, it feels good. It's not too heavy, but it's not lightweight at all. And it has the air ports, which is, I've heard, to be good quality a lot of times when you have a drill that has the air ports. And a lot of my drills do have it. This is the, little bottom part. And it comes with the charger and the connector. So let's move this box out the way and begin to, let's plug it up. Okay. This one is a little tad bit different from the one I have. Let's change out this bit. And I'm going to use the one from my desk drill. Use the mandrel from my desk one. Let's hear how it sounds. It should have some charge to it because it's been just sitting in the box. Let's see how we turn this on. Oh, power is the forward and reverse. So do I have to hold it down? Okay, there it goes. So it has a little plastic over it. And it's, got some charge to it. So that's one. And this is supposed to be, I think, 35 RPM, 35,000 RPMs. And this right here is at 20. Let me make sure. I think it is 30. So let's see. Let's go to the highest. I think it's 35. Can you hear that? It's not loud at all, guys. It's not. It's very quiet. So I like that. And it doesn't have, let me go back to 35 because I didn't feel a lot of vibration in it. Don't mind my nails, y'all. So it's not a lot of vibration in it, which is kind of cool. And of course, you have to check to see how it works over time. Turn this off. So I like that. So let me show you the one that I'm kind of comparing it to, which is this one right here that I got off of Amazon. And you guys, I love this one. I normally use this one for feet, or I'll use this one for feet. It makes it a little bit easier. And I got this off of Temu too. This was like, I think $12. And this one is quiet too. I can show you that real quick. It's not as quiet as that one, but I think this one goes up to 30. Yeah, this one is 30 RPMs. And you hear how this is a little bit louder than that when it's at 35. So I use this one or this one on my feet area. And of course, I just have my desk one. But this is the one that I wanted to compare it to. And you see, it's a little dusty because I use it a lot. Okay, let me get this out. And it has a handle on the side as well, just like the little handle that will go in. Show you that. That will go attached to this side. And you would sit it in there. And you guys that are new and don't know this, keep these pieces. So when you're taking these out and you don't have anything, you don't ever want to leave these without something in there to keep it from like dust and stuff building up on the inside of your handheld pieces. So keep these pieces so you can use those. But I normally have a clean mandrel sitting on one of my bits. As you can see, it's always a mandrel that's going to sit on there because I have plenty. I bought so many of them. But anyway, back to what I'm about to do. Make sure that's in there. Okay. So this right here is the one I got off of Amazon. I love it. Now this one is louder. This one is louder. It has the air holes just like the rest of them. Air holes. Air holes. This one is louder. It's lighter weight. It's not lighter weight. Like, it's not as girthy as this, and it holds better in your hand. But guys, this torque on here is something different. Like, it plays no games. I haven't tried this one out, even though it sounds good. You know, I haven't tried it in comparison, like, to actually try out the torque on it. But if you sit them side by side, I mean, I love the rose gold one, I'm not gonna lie. But to say, if you want something to begin with, you know, when you're just starting out, I would say, yeah, grab it, try it, see how you like it. It has good, it's not as loud. It goes up to 35 RPMs, which a lot of times you should not ever have to go to 35 RPMs, but you know, so right now I'm still loving this because how it fits in my hand. Like, I had that all the way in there. Just look at the barrel. It's just so sleek. Like, and I think I paid $40 something for this one. The barrel is more sleek and it's not as plasticky as this, even though this isn't plastic, but just, oh my God. Like this, I think the style of it is what keeps me using this one. And I'm going to try this on my next client. And of course, I'm going to come back and tell you guys how I like it, because this one is bulky too. That's why I use this more than this. But lately, I've been in a different little situation when it comes down to my nails and how I try to set up. So I've been using this so I didn't have to have this cord in the way. So I may go and try to look for a cordless drill bit. Efile that has the sleekness to it. Because this comes in handy, guys, on your hands. It molds and you can just whip it around. It's awesome. But that's going to be it for this video on drills. But I will be back. I want to show you guys this as well against this. It's bulkier. Just bulkier. And not as slim. But I'm going to come back and show you guys like a actual nail being drilled with these and see how it goes and which one has the best torque to it, which I believe is going to be this one, of course. But we won't know until we try it. So I want to make sure you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, we're getting to 500, so we can do our giveaway. You don't know what we're going to be giving away. It could be this drill. It could be the airbrush machine. It could be the acrylic kits. I don't know what I'm giving away. But once we get to 500, we're going to vote on what's the first thing to give away. Talk to you later. Bye.